guys, welcome back to Simmi Shares. My name is Simran Chanda and if you're new here, welcome to the family. I upload videos on every Sundays and Wednesdays, and today's video was initially going to be about teenage friendly makeup kit, but then I thought, what is makeup without proper skincare? So today's video is instead going to be about a teenage friendly skincare kit, because I spoke to a few teenagers before I thought of this video, and their answers made me make this video. So they think that skincare is super costly, it is unnecessary, and you don't have to do proper skincare before you do your makeup. So in my opinion, I think it is false. I think skincare is super essential. It is a need, plus it is not always costly. So keeping that in mind, I made a range of products from rupees 60 to rupees 400 maximum, and then I am going to tell you step by step what the procedure should be before you do your makeup, and then I will also show you options in the steps so that you know what is the best for your skin type, and then go ahead with buying what suits you the best. So if you want to know what the options for the steps are and how to achieve a flawless skin and a flawless base for your makeup, without further ado, let's get started with today's video. So this is the hamper I'm going to talk about. This is the products I have collected, which is budget friendly. So in my opinion, amazing, because that is why I bought it, and I bought it from my own money. This video is not at all sponsored. So I can give you guarantee that I have used these products and it has some of me and some of them have not, and I can give you a proper review on this. So the first step is going to be a face cleanser. Now what is a face cleanser? So a face cleanser is nothing but a face wash. So you have used face wash all your life, right? And why do you use a face wash? Is because your skin on your body and your skin on face is two different textures. This is super sensitive, so you should not use your body wash or your body soap on the face. So now you should opt for face cleanser according to your skin type. So I have a variety of 3 to 4 types of face cleansers. Each of them are for almost all skin types, but as I am a normal to combination skin, I have a T-zone, that is why I might not have products which are for extremely dry skin or extremely oily skin. So I can add up some recommendation on the skin according to which you can buy, but I think you will be content from the ones I have right now. So the first product I'm going to show you is by Joy. Now this face wash is a fruit infused face wash. It has papaya, and papaya removes dead skin cells and reduces dark spots, also clears tanning, thereby enhancing your skin brightness. So it has perfume in it, and if you are a very sensitive skin type, you should first ask your dermatologist which one you should use, because perfumes do not suit well on the sensitive skin type, but as I have a normal skin, I am okay with perfume. So this is how the texture is. It is creamy, and this is creamy, and it cleans your skin pretty well. I like this face wash a lot, and I recommend it to the people who are on a budget, and it is just for 63 rupees. Also when you buy it from Nykaa, you get it from around 43 to 53 rupees, you get at least 10 rupees off. So I recommend it to people from dry skin type to normal skin type, but as it is creamy, I don't suggest it to extremely oily skin type. Now for the people with oily skin type, this is a good option. This is by Ayurmix, and it is a neem face wash. It says it is suitable for all skin types, and I bought it from DMart, so it is actually for rupees 100. But then it had a 1+1 option, so I gave it to my friend the other one, and she says she's a normal skin type and she did not like it. But I have a T-zone and it works very well on the T-zone. So this is a good option for oily skin type, and it is a cream based face wash, and also it gives you a very refreshing feel after you have washed your face. But it has perfume, so if you are again an oily skin type but a sensitive skin type, you should first ask if you should use it or not. The third face wash is by Alps Goodness. It is their apple face wash, and this says it removes blackheads, prevents face blemishes, and soothes the skin and calms the skin. So it is a green apple face wash. It does have fragrance again. It is a gel type. It says it is for all skin types and it works very well for my skin. So I really like it. It is very light on skin, so people with combination skin can also use it. The last face wash I will show you all is the Mamaearth Subtan face wash. Now I am in love with this product. I swear this video is not sponsored, and I swear by this product. It has worked wonders for me. I have a drastic change on my face because of it. It is a very creamy texture. Also, it does not have fragrance, so that is one good thing for the people with sensitive skin. This is how it looks, and it has small beads in it. So basically it is a face cleanser cum a face scrub. Use it in both ways and it is really good. I really like it. It is creamy, it has turmeric, it helps fight your pimples, and it keeps your face very fresh. I love it. It gives a cooling, tingling effect, and I personally like it. So if you are someone like me who likes that cooling effect, you should definitely purchase this. It is for rupees 250, but I think it is worth every penny. So now after cleansing your face, the second step is an optional step, because you should not do it every day, but then you have to do it twice or thrice a week. That is a face scrub. Now why do you use a face scrub? Face scrubs are very important to cleanse your pores, because dirt clog ho jati hai, right? So to remove that, you should use a face scrub. Now you have to make sure the beads on your face scrub is small, because if it is huge, it might hurt your skin, and as I said, the skin on your face is very sensitive, so you should make sure of that. And secondly, again, if you are a sensitive skin type, you have to make sure you do not use perfumed ones. I am okay with anything, so I like purchasing face scrubs with fragrance and fruits, and I don't mind that. So the options I have with me is, the first one is by Alps Goodness. It is their pomegranate face scrubs, and it says it is a hydrating face scrub and it is suitable for all skin types. But as I said that it is a cream based scrub, I don't think extremely oily skin person should use it. This is how it looks, and it feels so good once you have used it on your skin. It retails for 99 rupees and it is always on sale. Now Alps Goodness is a brand by Purple.com, so you get this only on Purple.com, and it is almost always on sale. The second face scrub is the scrub by Good Vibes. This is how it looks. It is their olive moisturizing gel scrub. Now this has no parabens, no sulfates, and it is cruelty free. Now this is a gel scrub, so it is very good for oily skin. My brother has used it and he loves it. This is how it is. This is how it looks. Now I am personally not a fan of it, because I think the particles on the beads in it is very thick, and I don't like it on my skin. But my brother has an oily skin and he thinks it is perfect for him. So again, I'm saying you should first check what is best for you, try a little and then choose. So this product retails for 225 rupees, but it is always on sale on Purple.com. Again, Good Vibes is a sub brand of purple.com, so it is only available on purple.com. The third scrub is by Jovies. Now this is also a cream based scrub. This is how the packaging looks. It is a detan scrub and it says it has black plum and curcuma with SPF, and it is for all skin types, and this is how it looks. It is cream, it has thick texture, and the beads are of perfect size. This one is for 205 rupees, but you get it on 20 to 30% off on Nykaa. So do check it out on Nykaa. So now once you're done with scrubbing your face, what next you need is a toner or a serum. Now you should know why you should have a toner and why a serum. So serums are for people with normal to dry skin type, because serums hydrate your skin, and toners are for combination to oily skin type, because toners take away the excess oils. So today I have one serum and 2-3 options of toners for you, because I just recently started using serums before makeup, but I always used to use toners. So the first thing I'll show you is a serum, and this is by Swiss Beauty. This is the Golden Skincare Serum and it is 24K. They say that it has gold plates in it, and this is very hydrating, and it is not too flowy. See, this is how it looks. It has that plates in it. It is not very flowy and not very thick, so perfect for people with dry skin, and it moisturizes your skin. So initially it gives you a hydrating effect, but in 5 minutes it turns matte, and this is one thing which ranges around 400 rupees, but you get it on Nykaa for 320 to 350 rupees, so you do check it out on Nykaa. Then for people with oily skin, I have options starting from rupees 95. That is a Himalaya toner. Now everybody knows Himalaya has been our hook brand since we were young, and we all trust it, so I thought we should, like, if you're a beginner, you should start with this. Now it has a very flowy consistency and it disappears on your skin. So how you apply a toner? You take it in a cotton pad and you dab it on your skin, and then you go to the next step. So this one is for 95 rupees. It is the refreshing and clarifying toner. This says it is for all skin types, and the best thing is it is alcohol free. So it is a good purchase, because the second time I used it, I did not like it at all. I thought it is waste of money, but then eventually I got a hang of it and I really started liking it. The second toner is a very infamous toner. It is the Biotique's Bio Cucumber Toner. Now Biotique, I think, is a good brand, but it does not give you all its ingredients, so that is a drawback. But its products do work for me, so I am okay with it. It does have perfume, and this says that it is a pore tightening toner for normal to oily skin. Now my friends with oily skin love it, and that is why I thought of purchasing it. I have used it a little bit, but then I liked it. I have to still try it for better result. It is also very flowy, absorbs in your skin pretty quickly, and it is for 175 rupees, but you get it on sale on purple.com and Nykaa for around 110 to 125 rupees. So do check it out, and if you think it is worth buying, then go for it. The third toner is my favorite toner. I think if you are a beginner, you should definitely invest in it, and it is worth the money, it is worth the hype. It is a toner, it is a face mist, it is a makeup fixing spray. I love the product, and it is a gulab gel. I am not even kidding, it is a gulab gel. It is by Shri Shri, the one I use, because it has the spray and I really like. And it is for 65 rupees, and I think it is worth every single penny. It makes your skin so fresh and hydrating. I love it. You should definitely purchase this. This is around my 10th bottle and I'm not getting tired of it. But it has perfume. So again, the people with sensitive skin type, you should check if you have a problem with perfume before you buy anything. So moving on to the second last step, that is a moisturizer. Now moisturizers are very important. Moisturizers are very important for your skin because moisturizing your skin makes your skin looks more healthy and makes you feel more healthy as well, and it is a good base for your makeup, like to build a flawless makeup look. First moisturizer I will be showing is for normal skin type to dry skin type. Now this is the classic Nivea cream. I use it in winters because I have dry skin in winter. It is so thick and creamy and I love it. It retails for 129 rupees for 100 ml, and I think it is worth every penny. For the people with dry skin to normal skin, you should try it out. And the second moisturizer is also by Nivea. It is their Cherry Blossom edition. Now I know that you might not get it now, but then the flavored editions, there are a lot of flavored editions even. So this tub is for 85 rupees 50 ml. So you first purchase a small tub if you want to, and then if you like it, go ahead with the bigger one. Now this is very good. It has perfume, so that is a disclaimer. And plus I love the fragrance. I love it. I absolutely love it. It feels so good on my skin. I am a normal to combination skin type, but I avoid it in my T-zone. So the third moisturizer is by Lakme. It is the Peach Milk. This is how it looks. The small tub is for 40 rupees and it is 25 grams. So before buying anything huge, you should go with first small sizes and then go ahead with like buying a huge quantity. So this is how it looks, and it is good for combination skin, for people from dry skin to combination skin, because it absorbs in your skin quick, but it does leave a little texture. So people with oily skin, it is a no-no. Oily skin, I understand that you have like a lot of products are restricted for your, but this one is amazing. Now this one is for people with combination skin. If you have an extremely oily skin, Pond's has released a Pond's Super Light Gel. I will be adding a screenshot here, and it is very good, and you should definitely try it out. Now people with dry to combination skin, I love this moisturizer. I use it every day before my makeup, and I think it is absolutely worth it. I use it in my normal skincare routine as well, like after getting up and going to bed. So this is the texture. This absorbs in your skin so quickly, and it is amazing. It has vitamin E and glycerine, so that is a plus, and it smells good. It smells nice. Now moving forward to the last step of the entire video, that is a primer. Now why do you need a primer? After you moisturize your skin, your pores are still open, right? And if you have big pores, you don't want your makeup to like penetrate in your pores. So I have only one option with me today, because my previous one was from Calabar and it was for around 850 rupees. So I thought in the budget this one is good. This is the Nykaa Spec Me Up. It retails for 499 rupees, but it is always on sale on Nykaa, and this is only available on Nykaa. So it is thick in texture. You just need one good pump of it and you're good to go. You think you have huge pores. Now make sure to keep in mind that it will only shrink pores. It will not disappear it. So make sure that you know that it is okay to have pores. Everybody has pores. I have pores, and it is completely fine to have pores, and nobody actually cares, alright? So you have to make sure that you have to value yourself before anything else, and that is one message I had to give. So it has a very velvety finish and I really like it. It creates a good layer on my face, and then I apply the foundation. So these are all the steps you need for prepping your skin, and then once you're done with primer, you can go ahead and have a flawless base. So if you want to know how I create my flawless base step to step, do let me know in the comments down below. I will be making that teenage friendly as well, and all the products will be good, and you won't have to sacrifice on the quality, but then you will be loving the quantity and the price. So if you like the video, do like, share and subscribe. Also do follow my Instagram. My Instagram handle is here, and I will be uploading the Diwali series on my IGTV, so do check it out. And there will be an announcement on Saturday for my YouTube, which is my first ever announcement, which is huge. And that being said, this is it for the video, you guys. I hope I was helpful. Do let me know how you like it, and I'll see you on Sunday. Bye. Take care.